Hey everyone, welcome back to Mr. Holland's Classroom, where today we're going to be doing lesson 7 in my math, where for chapter 4, of course, where we're composing and decomposing numbers. And this time we are decomposing, which means to break down. Compose means to put together. Decompose means to break down. And this day we're doing it with 8 and 9. So the last lesson we were talking about, putting together 8 and 9, but it's time to destroy. All right, so let's take a look at what we got. How can we show numbers in other ways? Oh, this is easy. Take a look. How many in all? So there's 10. There's one group of 10, and then there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 extra ones. So that's 6 and 10, 16. Draw more happy faces in the empty boxes. Well, if I did that, then both would be full, which would mean there would be 10, 20. So I got that one already. I know that. Let's see. I told you guys. I know these things. I knew it. You guys probably knew it too. No lie. All right, so show 2 different ways to take apart number 9. 9 hot air balloons, just sorry. Okay, so the easy thing for us to do is to just circle things. So I'm going to circle 1. Teeny weeny 1. And then I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 over here. So I am going to write number 8 right there. But let's say, because they want us to do it a different way as well. So instead of just circling 1, I'm going to circle so many this time. It's going to be insane. You guys ready? You ready? I circle 2. I know, but it's still a different way. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Interesting. So I made my number 1 more, so I circled 1 more, but then I crossed off 1 less. Interesting. Things are getting a little spicy over here. All right. Place 8 of the same type and color of objects onto the screen. Okay, so let me do some cubes. I can actually put these on here. So I have 8. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so then I can draw 8 up here because that's where the top number is. Then it says make one of the groups 2 objects. Okay, I'll go along with this. So put 1 and 2 over here, which means 2 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 right there. So we started out with a number and then we took away from it so that there was less. So taking away, breaking down, decompose. We're decomposing here, people. Let's see if I knew it. See? Got it. Knew it. Okay. So now we are in the lesson on page 295. And I'm already hungry now because I see a hot dog on the screen. And I just want to eat it. So let's take a look. They have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 blocks right here. It says use the blocks to show 8. And they already did. Break apart the tiles into 2 groups. So like drawing circles? Like drawing big circles? I don't think that's what they mean. But let's take a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I'll do this time. I'm going to draw a line right here. So 5 on this side and 1, 2, 3 on this side. So 5 and 3. All right. And then we're doing the same thing with the number 9. And if I put it in the same spot, then I'll have 5 over here. But look, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So instead of 5 and 3, now I have 5 and 4. Because 5 and 3 make 8 and 5 and 4 make 9. Sorry. All right, so let's take a look at the next page. Okay, so here we are doing more stuff. We already know how this goes, but it's not about like coloring it this time. At least I don't think so. Yeah, we're not coloring anything this time. So remember in the last lesson where you had to color some one color and then color them another color so that you could show them added together, and you say, well, they're breaking it apart. So most of the time it's going to be either drawing circles or I like to draw lines. So let's take a look. Up here, like they have 4, obviously 4 and 4. So they circled 4 here and 4 right here. And then 9, oh, they did what I do. So they circled 1 over here. You see that? Wee over there. And then they had 8 all the way over here. So 8 and 1 make 9. But like I said in the last lesson, we got to try to do it different. So I'm not going to draw a line right in the middle and then say 4 and 4. We already did that up there. So I got to do it differently. Well, I could draw a line right here. So I have 1, 2, 3, and then have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over here. You see? It's different. And then on the next page, look at, they have 8 again. So instead of doing 4 and 4 or 3 and 5, I can draw a line right here and do 2 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I can do it any different way. And it's the same thing with these 9. So up here, like if I draw a line here, make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, I can do it down here differently. I can draw a line right here, 3, and then do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we got to try to do it as many different ways as we can. But you know the strategies, so you know how to do this. So when we go to this page, you're going to already know what to do. Like they have a 6 right here. So that you know that you're going to be able to count 6. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you know that number. You know how many didn't get crossed off. So 1, 2 right here. And you know that. So 6, 7, 8. See, you can find the missing numbers. Look, down here, you literally just count all the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Write the 9 up here. And then down here, you know there's 6, so cross off 6 again, and then write what the missing number is. It can't be easier than that. You guys know this. And then the homework is literally the same thing. So just do it. Be smart. Because guess what? After this, you're going to actually be able to solve problems without all the numbers. That's literally what adding and subtracting is. Your older brothers and sisters are doing this, or your older friends are doing this up in 1st and 2nd grade. You'll be able to do it before you leave kindergarten probably. So, man, let's just get into it. But I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye, everybody.